Hello, graded students. For this session, I'm going to teach you about common monomial factors and on how to get or how to find the greatest common factors. Okay? But before that, let us now define what is factoring. Kasi ito yung focus nung lesson na to. So, factoring is the reverse process of multiplication. Okay? When a number or polynomial is factored, it is written as a product of two or more factors. For example, find the GCF between 16, 64, and 72. Okay? So, the greatest common factor or the GCF in this example is 8. Okay, sir, bakit 8? Observe. 16 is divisible by 8. 64 is divisible by 8. At the same time, 72 is divisible by 8. Okay, try natin i-divide 16 divided by 8. Again, 16 divided by 8. That is equal to 2. Next, 64 divided by 8. That is equal to 8. And 72 divided by 8. That is 9. Observe, yung natirang number is 2, 8, 9. As you can see here, class, wala na pong common factors yung 2, 8, and 9. So, ibig sabihin, yung greatest common factor between 16, 64, and 72 is 8. Okay? Alright. So, next example. Okay, sample problem number 2. So, this time, nilagyan ko siya ng variable class kaya at the same time exponent. So 12x cubed y squared. Next is 8x y squared and 4x squared y squared. Again, kukunin po natin yung GCF. Okay? Sir, paano nga po ulit kunin yung GCF? Again, mag-focus po muna tayo sa coefficient, yung number. Okay? Make sure na yung number na to, yung 12, 8, and 4 is divisible doon sa number na gagawin yung GCF. Okay? So, the greatest common factor between 12, 8, and 4 is 4. Observe, 12 divided by 4, 3. 8 divided by 4, 2. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay? So, sige, sulat ulit natin. Observe 12 divided by 4, 3. 8 divided by 4, 2, and 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 is 1. As you can see here, class, 3, 2, and 1. Wala na pong common factor sa kanila, maliban sa 1. So, ibig sabihin, ito na po yung GCF, 4. Now, tapos na tayo sa coefficient. Proceed tayo sa variable. Sa variable naman, class, pipiliin natin yung may mas maliit na exponent. Okay? So, as you can see here, yung x dito, 1 lang po yung exponent niya. So, okay? So, lagay na natin dito yung x. Next, yung y. Yung y dito, as you can see, yung exponent niya is 2. Lahat 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung greatest common factor ng variable y is y squared. As is po yan. Okay? Ayan. So, ito na po yung GCF dito sa sample problem number 2. Okay? Alright. So, ito na po yung, observe x cubed divided by x squared. Y squared divided by y squared, 1. So, lahat po yung divisible. X divided by x, 1. Y squared divided by y squared, 1. Next, x squared divided by x, y squared divided by y squared, 1. So, make sure yung GCF ninyo is divisible dito sa tatlong term na to. Okay? Ayan. So, next problem tayo. Alright, so for sample problem number 3, okay? So, same scenario, no? Or same procedure. Hanapin lang natin yung coefficient muna. So, highlight lang natin yung coefficient or underline natin yung coefficient. So, 24, 30, 48. Mag-isip tayo ng number. Ano kaya yung number na divisible sa 24, sa 30, at the same time sa 48? Diba? Mag-isip lang tayo ng number na pwedeng i-divide dito sa kanilang tatlo. Dapat isang number na pwedeng i-divide sa kanila. So, ano kaya yung number na yon? So, syempre, divisible yung tatlong number na to sa 6, right? Yan, 6 yan, observe. 24 divided by 6, 4. 30 divided by 6, 5. And 48 divided by 6, 8. Observe 4, 5, and then 5, and then 8. So 4, 5, 8, wala na pong common factors yan. So ibig sabihin, 6 po yung greatest common factor between 24, 30, and 48. Now, sa variable naman tayo. Again, yung kukunin nating variable is yung may mas maliit na exponent. Okay? So dito, a squared, a cubed, a. So syempre, yung a yung kukunin natin. Next, b squared, b cubed, b squared. So syempre, b lang yung kukunin natin. Then dito, c cubed, c4, or c raised to 4, and c squared. So syempre, mas maliit yung 2. So c squared yung kukunin nating GCF. Okay? Ayan. So, ito na po yung GCF sa sample problem number 3. 6ab's c raised to 2. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple yung pagkuha ng greatest common factor. Again, isip lang kayo ng number. At the same time, yung variable na divisible din dito sa term na meron tayo. Okay? Okay. So, move on tayo. Proceed tayo sa CMF or common monomial factor. Okay? Right, so here are the steps in finding the common monomial factor. So first is find the greatest common factor or the GCF of the terms in the polynomial. This is the first factor. And second, divide each term by the GCF to get the other factor. So proceed tayo sa example. Okay, factor each expression. So first example. Okay, sample problem number 1, 7x squared minus 7y. Again, kukunin lang po natin yung GCF. Okay, find the GCF. So the GCF, on example number 1 is 7. How about the variable? Pwede ba kayang x squared and y yung gagawin nating variable? Okay, so as you can see here class, yung isang variable is x, yung isa is y. So kapag different variable, hindi po natin siya pwedeng i-combine. Okay, so therefore, yung GCF lang natin is 7. Okay, now, para makuha yung factor, syempre, i-divide natin yan. 7x squared divided by 7 equals 7 divided by 7, that is 1, x squared na lang. Okay, next, 7y divided by 7, 7 divided by 7 is 1, y na lang. Okay? So, bali matitira dito is x squared plus y. So, ibig sabihin, yung factor ng sample problem number 1, sulat natin dito, answer, 7 times the quantity of x squared plus y. Okay? So, ito po yung final answer. Okay? Kung kopyahin lang natin yung 7, okay, yung GCF natin, and then kung ano yung result dito sa division na pinarform natin, ito po yung nasa loob ng quantity. Okay? So, ito po yung final answer. 7 times the quantity of x squared plus y. Okay? Okay, sample problem number 2. So again, kunin muna natin yung GCF or greatest common factor. As you can see here, yung coefficient na meron tayo is 16 and 4. So obviously, yung GCF natin dito is 4. Okay? Now, observe natin yung variable. Yung variable dito is P, sa kabila P din. So ibig sabihin, pwede. So, identify natin, alin kaya sa dalawa? P raised to 4 or P raised to 6? So, syempre, yung sagot is P raised to 4. So, bali yung GCF natin dito, class, is 4P raised to 4. Now, proceed tayo sa division. So, 16 P raised to 4 divided by 4p raised to 4. Observe 16 divided by 4, 4. P raised to 4 divided by p raised to 4, 1 na lang yan. So 4 yung result. Next, 4p raised to 6 divided by 4p raised to 4. Again, 4 divided by 4 is 1. P raised to 6 divided by p raised to 4. Yung gagawin nyo lang dyan, class, subtract nyo lang yung exponent. So 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4 rather, 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay? So kopyahin lang din natin yung variable na p. Okay? Again, minus lang po yung exponent, and then kopyahin lang po natin yung variable na p. Okay? So bali p squared na lang. Okay? So for the final answer, again, kopyahin po natin yung GCF. So bali 4 p raised to 4 times the quantity of 4 plus p squared. Okay? Ito na po yung final answer. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. Next problem. Okay, next problem. 25m cubed plus 5m. Okay, same procedure. Find the GCF between 25 and 5. So, syempre 5. The GCF between m cubed and m. So, syempre m. Okay? Then proceed to division. So 25m cubed divided by 5m. 25 divided by 5, 5. M cubed divided by m, again minus lang, exponent natin is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So bali 2, then kopyahin natin yung variable. Next, 5m divided by 5m is equal to 1. Okay? So for the final answer, kopyahin lang natin yung 5m times the quantity of 5m squared plus 1. Okay? Kung ano yung natira dito, siya po yung magiging laman ng parenthesis. Okay? Ayan po yung sagot. 5m times the quantity of 5m squared plus 1. Okay? Okay, last example. 15n cubed plus 12n. Again, find the GCF. Unahin natin yung coefficient. What is the GCF between 15 and 12? Saan kaya divisible yung dalawang number na to? So, divisible yung 15 and 12 sa, well, of course, divisible yan sa 3. Right? Okay. And then, n cubed, tapos n. So, syempre, n yung kukunin natin, yung may mas maliit na exponent. Okay? So, divide na natin. 15n cubed divided by the GCF. Again, dinidivide ko yung dalawang term na to dito sa GCF. Again, 15 divided by 3, 5. Okay? And n cubed divided by 3, n squared. Next, 12n divided by 3n. So 12n or 12 divided by 3 is 4, n divided by n is 1. So 4 na lang yung matitira. So for the final answer, again, just simply copy the GCF, which is 3n times the quantity of 5n squared plus 4. Okay? So ito na po yung answer natin. Okay? So, ganun na kasimple yung common monomial factor. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so for your seat work number 1.1, kindly answer mental math 1 to 10 on page 6. Okay? Paki-screenshot po. Ayan. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless.